This is a nice February 20th snow. It's supposed to be a big storm, but I think we're only expecting around 4 inches, and it's wet and it's just starting to stick, as you can see. But these are wonderful, huge flakes of snow, and for anybody who's not familiar with snowstorms and that kind of thing, it looks very pretty. And I'm gonna go drive through downtown Northampton and sort of float around a little bit before I head back to Shelburne Falls and Greenfield and that direction. Just kind of curious to see how the snow lands and where things are sitting in the Northampton area. It's pretty, particularly if there aren't that many people out on the road. It's sort of a school vacation, and everybody is kind of taking a break, but not everybody. Clearly there are lots of businesses and other things that are still rolling. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Cheers.